Ever scrolled through a financial news feed and seen Westpac pop up, only to wonder, wait, is that just an Aussie thing? You're not alone. It's like spotting a kangaroo in a crowd. You know it's distinctly Australian, but you wonder if it hops anywhere else. We're bombarded with global brands, financial powerhouses stretching across continents. So, is Westpac just another local legend, or does it have a secret international life? Let's be honest, the name itself, Westpac, hints at a regional focus. It conjures images of sun-drenched beaches and the bustling financial hubs of Sydney and Melbourne. But the world of finance is rarely that simple. Behind those familiar blue and white logos, there's a story that extends beyond the shores of the land down under. We're not just talking about a few ATMs in Bali for tourists. We're talking about a history of international ambition, strategic expansion, and the ever-evolving landscape of global banking. Think of it like this: Australia, while a significant player, is part of a much larger economic ecosystem. Trade, investment, and financial flows don't respect national borders. So, it's natural to question whether a major Australian bank would limit itself to a single country. After all, isn't the whole point of big banks to be, well, big? To get to the heart of this, we need to peel back the layers of Westpac's history. It's not just about today's balance sheets and branch locations. It's about understanding the strategic decisions that shaped the bank's trajectory. You might be surprised to learn that Westpac's international footprint, while perhaps not as vast as some global giants, has had its moments. We're going to examine how Westpac has navigated the complexities of international finance. We'll look at the specific regions where it has operated, the nature of its international business, and the factors that influenced its decisions. Did they aim for global dominance, or was their strategy more targeted? Was it about serving Australian businesses with international needs, or was there a broader ambition? We'll also examine the current reality of the bank's international presence. Let's dissect the common misconception that Westpac is solely an Australian institution. We'll look into the specifics of their offshore operations, if any, and the strategic reasons behind them. Are we talking about representative offices, branches, subsidiaries, or something else entirely? We'll look at the historical data and current public financial records to clarify the scope of their international operations. And in a world where global finance is constantly changing, it's crucial to understand the context. Are regulatory changes, economic shifts, or strategic realignments playing a role in shaping Westpac's international ambitions? Is it a story of expansion, consolidation, or something in between? So, is Westpac only in Australia? The answer, as you'll see, is a nuanced one. It's a story that reveals the delicate balance between domestic focus and international opportunity. It sheds light on the challenges and realities of expanding a major financial institution beyond its home market. It's a story that reveals much about the nature of modern banking and the strategic choices banks make in a globalized economy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.